Hello.
Welcome to Mexico City.
It's been a rough morning trying to get into vacation mode. So today is June 2nd, Saturday.
Our day started at probably 6:30 a.m. Pacific time on Friday, yesterday, June 1st. And that's because we went to work yesterday like normal. It's a Friday. Then our flight was at about 12:30 in the morning. So red-eye flight here to Mexico City, arrived here about 7 a.m. And then from there until just a couple hours ago when we got here to the Airbnb, we've been go.
That was pretty rough. Coming in at 7 a.m. Technically, on our Airbnb, we couldn't check in until 3. So we hung out in City Central and found a good fair.
It's all sorts of local vendors. Food.
Local consumer fair. So we hung out, had some awesome food there, saw all the vendors because they were all there. We finally just made it to the Airbnb and we took a nap because technically we've been up for over 36 hours now, plus the time change. And now we're all fresh.
Yes.
And we're ready for this first Saturday night in Mexico City. It's been a day.
Oh my God, it's been a day.
Stop being creepy.
Oh,
You need to come in. Lean in. Lean into the conversation.
yeah. So, our day started. When did it start? 40 hours ago?
It is currently midnight, June 2nd, in Mexico City.
Wait, is it actually midnight?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, okay.
So it's midnight in Mexico City, June 2nd. Our day started on
June 1st.
June 1st at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
So, yeah, roughly 40 hours. No, 44 hours.
Something like that.
I don't know.
It's been a day.
Many hours.
It's been a long day. Errands need to come off. Just finished our first full day in Mexico City. It was a little trouble trying to acclimate, trying to figure out what to do, where to go,
Yeah.
checking an Airbnb.
I guess the rundown is we had a full day of work on Friday. Then our flight left SFO at 12:30. It got in here to Mexico City around 7 a.m. Mexico City time.
Which is Central Time, I guess, because it's 2 hours ahead.
Yeah, it's 2 hours.
So it was 5 a.m. for us.
And we didn't really get any sleep on the plane.
Most uncomfortable flight I've ever had.
The only redeeming factor was that the plane was only about half full, so we had the entire row to ourselves, so we could kind of spread out a little bit, but the seats were rock hard.
No cushioning whatsoever. Anyway, so we've had a full day in Mexico.
We spent the first few hours
In City Central.
in City Central because we couldn't drop our bags yet, which it wasn't so bad. And I mean, it's the entire reason why we have the ruck packs in the first place is so that they're comfortable to wear in those situations where we weren't able to drop our bags. Then after those few hours in the city center, we came here, dropped our bags, took a shower, took like a 2.5 hour nap.
We needed that nap. We hadn't slept in over 36 hours by then.
Yeah.
Woke up, got dressed, had dinner, walked to a pretty hip bar,
Yeah.
I guess you could say, and had some cocktails there and walked all the way home.
Yeah.
So we've had a full day. 2 days.
Full almost 2 days with very little sleep. You can probably tell there's
We're very tired.
bags under our eyes and all that.
So over there, that's the bed.
Yeah.
We're gonna go jump in that. Thanks for following along. We'll see you
Yeah.
tomorrow. Till tomorrow.
It's us against the world.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.